Why do insurance companies do home inspections? You've just moved into your dream home and your insurance company wants to do an inspection. Don't panic. Today, I'll answer the question, why do insurance companies want to do inspections of your new home? In the next few minutes, I'll cover what exactly is a home inspection, why it's different from the inspection that was done when you first purchased your home, what inspectors look for, and what you need to do if the inspector discovers issues that need to be addressed. By the end of this video, you'll see that these inspections aren't just necessary, they're actually pretty helpful for homeowners. So let's dive in. First, what is a home insurance inspection? Think of it as a checkup for your house, specifically for insurance purposes. You might be wondering, why another inspection? Well, there are some good reasons. It helps the insurance company understand what type of property that they are insuring. It can uncover hidden issues you didn't know about. It might even save you money on your insurance premiums. First, an inspector will reach out to you directly to set up a time for the visit. The inspection itself is pretty quick. It usually lasts less than an hour. They'll check both the inside and out of your home thoroughly. If you have a multifamily home, you need to let your tenants know that the inspector needs to access their apartment. The inspector will examine key areas such as your roof, electrical system, heating and plumbing, safety features like smoke detectors, handrails, potential hazards like overhanging trees and trip and fall hazards. Remember, they're not there to pick on every little thing. And one of the goals is to ensure that your home is not overinsured or underinsured and that everything is safe. Your visitors and tenants, and if it's a multifamily home, it's all about accuracy and safety. After the inspection, you may receive a report detailing the issues that they found. And sometimes they might ask you to fix issues that may affect your insurance. But don't worry, they'll give you plenty of time. And if you need extra time to find a professional to do the work, you just need to request the additional time. Here's why this is actually a good thing to have your home inspected. It's like having an expert go to your home for a checkup. You may learn more about your home, how to maintain it, and again, it ensures you have the right coverage for your specific home. They may also notify you if your home is overinsured, therefore saving you money by lowering your coverage amount that you carry on your home. Remember, these inspections aren't about finding little flaws. They're about ensuring that your home is safe and properly protected. And that's something we can all appreciate. Do you have a question about your home insurance policy or inspection? Our team has been helping individuals and families in Massachusetts for over 40 years. We're here to make sure that your home stays protected. Remember to stay informed and stay protected. Thank you for watching, and here's to a safe and secure home.